I'm Pasquale. Welcome to my kitchen. Hey folks, I'm out for Fidel Gastro's, and I've been watching chefs on TV since I was a little kid. My favorite of all time though, Chef Pasquale. I used to sit in my nonno and nonna's living room and just watch him make pastas and soups and the salad. You'll know what I mean when I'm gonna show you. But he's one of my favorites, so I thought what better way to honor the man, the myth, the legend, than to make Pasquale's Kitchen Express. Okay, so today we're gonna make Chef Pasquale's famous chicken cacciatore, but a little twist, chicken wings. Woo! So we have chicken wings, the full wing, the tip, the flat, the drum, whole wing. We have tomato sauce, peppers, mushrooms, olives, and some Parmesan cheese, some garlic, eggs, basilico, and butter. It's a great recipe. You're gonna love it. You're gonna share it with the people you love because the food is meant for the people you love because you love them. Okay, we cook. Io mangi la zuccorino. Okay, so first the chicken is going to go into the bowl. Jump. Hey, bravo. Ay, 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 ay. Now we have two different kinds of seasoning. A little bit of sale. And then this is like garlic and herbs and basilico and dry thyme. It's nice. A little bit of tomato paste. Oopala. A little bit of limone. Now you want to make sure the seasoning is all over the chicken. So we're going to mix. Hey, buono. Oh, hey, see? Pasquale, he liked Pasquale. Okay, so now we take some egg. Crack. Ay, 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 ay. So, when you make chicken wing, it's important to have a chicken. Right? Right, okay. Whiskey, 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 eggy. Yeah. Okay. Now, the chicken wings into the bowl, and we're going to get some egg on it. Oh, I brought the tongs, but I forgot to use them. Now, we want to make sure the egg is over the chicken. Oh, yeah. So this way, when you toss it again in the breadcrumbs, it all sticks together. Okay, so we have another bowl now. The breadcrumb goes in. And the chicken. Jump. And jump. And jump. Make sure it's nice and covered. And then you're gonna get a nice baking pan like this. Okay, so now the chicken is covered in breadcrumbs. It's gonna go in the oven. When we come back, I'm gonna show you how to make the salsa. Salsa, salsa. Okay, we're back, and now it's time to make the sauce. So the pan, we're gonna make it nice and hot. We have our peppers, and onion, and fresh garlic. And it's good, right? You make nice rough chop. You go, hey, ay, 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 ay. Smash the garlic is my favorite thing to do. And then we cut. Ah, it's so fresh. Okay, so the garlic is there. Now, the peppers, we have red, we have yellow. You can use green, orange, purple, blue, whatever. Nice and rough chop. So, this is gonna go into the pan, and then a little bit of white onion. Okay, now that the pan is hot, we're going to add the aglio olio olio. Oopala. And then mix it around. Nice mushroom, shiitake. Right into the. And then a little bit of picante, some spicy chilies. Now we add the tomato sauce. Ah, smells so good. It's like a time I took a trip in Napoli. Okay, now these are some olive. You can use with the pit, without the pit. This is nice and it's like dried, sun-dried. Add it to the sauce. Now some fresh herbs. We have basilico. And we're just gonna rip it with our hands. Okay. And this is nice, you know, for Sunday night dinner with the family, because there's no place like home. And you eat this at home with the family. And a little bit, just a little bit of salt. You don't want it too salty, because then, you know, I need a glass of water, when really you should have a glass of wine. This is coffee though, I swear. I promise it's coffee. Welcome back. Okay, so the chicken is ready. The sauce, nice and thick with those peppers and mushrooms already. Now we're going to plate it and we're going to share it with the people I love. Una fortuna della città, della città, della città, della città. Una fortuna della città. Okay, there you have it. Chicken wing cacciatore, the nice thick sugo, crispy chicken wings, a little Parmesan cheese. And you know, this is perfect for friends and family. And it's important to think about chicken wings like your life. There's 3 parts, a beginning, middle, and an end. And very often, you need to fly somewhere. Well, there you have it, folks. Breaded cacciatore chicken wings, courtesy of Pasquale's Kitchen Express. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and down in the comments below, if you watched Pasquale's Kitchen Express, let me know your favorite recipes he made so I can redo them. And we're going to keep his legend living through food. Arrivederci.